How to use YouTube Kids Parental Dashboard. To use the YouTube Kids Parental Dashboard, first of all, you have to launch the YouTube application on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on this, tap on the setting gear icon on the top right. From here, you simply have to go to the Family Center. From here, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on this Invite a Teen option or Add a Child Account. Once you tap on this Add a Child Account option, you simply have to type in the name of your child and also the age. Once you select it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap Next. Once you do this, scroll down and agree to the terms and condition. Once you tap I agree on the bottom right corner, you will be now sent to this new window. And there you go. Now your child's profile is created. Once you do this, you can now simply download the YouTube Kids over here by tapping continue, select the age or content based on your age group. Once you do this, go ahead and tap continue. And there you go. This is how you can use the YouTube Kids Parental Dashboard. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.